How to fix Honor Magic 7 no notification sound. So let's start the video. First of all, turn off do not disturb. For turning off do not disturb, then scroll down to your control center and here you can see the option do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, then turn on notifications. Now open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on notifications and status bar. After clicking on notifications and status bar, then scroll down and open an app you want to turn on notifications. Now simply open an app and here you can turn on notifications. After turning on notifications, then open the main page of your settings. Then scroll down and click on System and Updates. After clicking on System and Updates, you can see the option Reset. Now click on Reset and then click on Reset All Settings. Now here you can reset all the settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on Software Update. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update the latest software, then update it to latest software. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.